Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is polymorphism in Python. What is polymorphism? The word polymorphism is taken from the Greek words. Poly means many and morphism means forms. It means a method can process object differently depending on the class type or data type. Polymorphism in Python is the ability of an object to take many forms. In simple words, polymorphism allows us to perform the same action in many different ways. First of all, we will see how polymorphism works with built-in functions such as length and reverse. Okay, the built-in functions length calculates the length of an object depending upon its type. If an object is a string, it returns the count of the characters, and if an object is a list, it returns the count of items in a list. Okay, let's see how it works with the help of an example. Okay, let's see. I'm going to take a car, then it is a list of cars. If I print the length of the car, let's run the program. So you see, total number of cars are 2. Similarly, we have other type of data. If we print this variable car owner and we pass on this car owner into the length function, this is inbuilt function from Python, it will print the length of the owner name, right? So there are two types of data wherein we are using the len inbuilt function from Python, which will returns the length of the data type. This is the polymorphism, because here we are saying length function has many forms which accepts multiple data types. One data type from a list, other data type is a string data type. Okay, so this is a fine example of polymorphism in Python. You can see. So this is was the length object. Okay, this example. The inbuilt function returns the iterable by reversing the given object. For example, if you pass a string to it, so it will reverse it. But if you pass a list of a string to it, it will return the iterable by reversing the order of elements, right? Let's see how it works. For I reversed print, and we will append a blank value to the end of the line, and we will type one separator list. Okay, let's run the program. So you see, this is showing OD and BMW, but the object was is initialized as BMW and OD. So, or we can put a one space here and then print again. Our list value is reversed. Let's say if we want to reverse our different data type car owner, so how it will work? So same thing we can apply here. Control C, Control V. Instead of car, we will say Control C, the car owner. What it will do, it will return the string value, this value from R to H. Run the program. You see, it reversed the value.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.